Tana boy. 5:36 na kanta-kanta ka pa boy. Sinawa ning menayay baluga kanyang keka. Ay na nakabayaran ng masalese kanyan ta. Ating ko kasing kaya ba regular customer or regular passenger ibaluga. Papamayaran king $5 per week. Kasi atat sundukin ba? Maamog ba po niya buklat tayong katamong kaya. Wipers. I'm 5 minutes away. And heaven's over. So, Arnoldo ba mga ninig katampan niya plan ba? Aldoldo, mga nining katamong ruta. Abak maranong tamong mama ko. Kasing lubta mo ba? Alas 6. Mama ko taking talaga. 5:30 kaso magluto ko pang nano-nano. Late na tambag ya. Pero miratang-tangan ng pa rin mga pinuto tuta naman. Minsan tansyahan ko mga 13 minutes, 15 minutes drive. Pag-umpisa Kenny Balyang, nakarin, hindi mo obra. Nakakitso ka? Kasi kayo, da kayo kakakit. Boy, I miss your kisses. 25 minutes too late. Opya. Santing magbiyahe mo kanini ba? Pala ang masyadong kasabi, dare-diretso mo'y dala na nakalupa keng Angeles. Makanining oras, alas 5. Ay, sapak ng tao, dala. Titak mo yata yung tao ganing kaya ba? Puno ko ng buwat siya. Yan. Harap po palang alimi kabalo at yung Kenny ko mag-work New South Wales, Australia. Exact location, Galburn. Yung ating pong kapampangan Kenny ba? Punta lang nyo ko po, di na nyo kong pera. Nangangansay yung business. I'm loving so far. I'm loving you. 35 minutes too late. Hey. Kumanto ta na kanini ngayon ni Bab. Gusto nga tiyong ibaluga, patugo na ako sumapi Bab. Kasi po, tawabala na nanong sabyo. Ayan, kaya niya mag-obra ay makatok ng ikaw mga arbel. Ayan tayong gate na makabuklat na, ibig sabihin at yun na ka rin to. Makabuklat na yung gate na, at yun na naman kanyan ka rin. Alasing ko yung lulubta ba? Marami. Yan, kaya ni kay susundan ni kay malugsay. Tsaka rin ay, kalaw na ba, kachit ko na eh. Ayan niya. Yan, yung makatalakad yan ay regular passenger. Hindi pasawa yan siguro. Gusto nga bubulat ni Bob, hindi pasawa yan manay. Good morning.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How about you?
I'm fine.
Really? How minutes do you wait here? Every day?
Today?
Yeah, today.
I come here at 20 past.
25?
20 past, yeah.
Ay!
Remember that day when I was...
Ay.
Yeah, that's the time when I
You know, I just go early that day because the night shift go to
Alright,
for day
changes.
shift.
Alright.
Because I think maybe I don't have my parking, my regular parking. Yeah,
Alright. Yeah, no, that's fine.
that's why I go early. But I think there's a lot of parking area in our
Yeah,
campus.
it's there. I
Yeah,
imagine.
so I back to normal. It's back to normal.
Did you end up finding
What?
someone for that room
Where?
where you are staying?
Oh yeah, in Mandy Street. Why?
You got someone?
No, the room is still vacant.
Oh, I want it.
Really?
Yes.
Okay, if you want, I'm gonna call for Corey.
For
He's the owner of the house.
who is that one?
The owner of Honda here. You
Oh.
know Honda, the motorcycle dealer
Oh, okay.
in Galborn.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's the owner of that house.
Alright. It's okay. I want to move next week because that hotel is now for sale.
Really?
Yeah.
The exchange hotel is now for sale?
Yes.
Oh my god. Next week.
Yes, next week. When I get some money.
If you want, I'm gonna drop you in that apartment so you can see that room.
Today.
Oh yeah, after work.
Alright, it's fine.
If I don't have my OT, because
If you don't
yesterday
have
I have
yeah,
my,
yesterday yes, you did OT.
yeah, so busy.
Yeah, it's okay. So if you don't do OT today, we'll go together then.
Okay.
It's okay, no problem.
Okay. Let's see. I'm gonna tell my friend who live there with me, Lawrence.
Alright.
He's a very good friend,
Alright.
but so talkative a little bit. But you know, he's good friend.
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah. He may become your friend too.
Yeah, no problem. I don't have any problem.
Okay.
People, you know.
And the rent become 140 per week.
140.
Yeah, but every 3 months we gonna pay for Wi-Fi, electricity, water bill, around something $60 to $70.
Oh.
Yeah,
That's not bad, man.
it's okay for you?
Yes.
Yeah. But it's spacious. We have a backyard. If you do your laundry, yeah. But this problem is the hot water sometimes too very running slowly.
Oh.
Yeah, the hot water only.
Water.
Yeah. You know that song? Top of the world. You know that song?
Huh?
Oh my god. Where have you been? During this and day only. That is just fine with your dream. It's not coming true, especially for me. It's because you are here. You're the nearest thing to heaven that I see. I'm on top of the world, down on creation, and the only explanation I can find. And you know what? What's the good news? You don't need to pay a bond and 2 weeks advance.
Oh,
Yeah.
I want it, man. I need to move out of that hotel. They are selling it. There's a big signpost. They didn't tell us, but I saw the post.
For sale.
Yes. I'll show you. I took a picture that day.
Yeah. That hotel is so very old.
Yeah.
It's from 1970. Yeah, I saw the picture.
I saw the picture.
Yeah,
Yeah.
post 1970 something.
Yeah.
And you know, man, my bicycle, I park it into backyard,
Alright.
and then when I go here in our company, sometimes I feel a ghost. Yeah. Do you know the abandoned bar? There's an abandoned bar downstairs, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. I think there's a ghost there.
There's a ghost.
Yeah.
Why?
I feel it. I feel it, man.
Where you used
Even though I put my earphone,
where you used to put your
bicycle, in
Yeah.
front of that abandoned bar.
Yeah.
I'm scared. Oh my
You're
god.
scared of this hotel.
My park, it's still there. My parking area.
Stay. This
Yeah.
one is yours, man.
This is mine.
This parking doesn't get full.
Did you know that, sir? Okay, we're here. Let's drink coffee.
You see, let me